Out with boring bread, in with rich chocolatey flavor of pure magic Deuce for this delicious Biscuit Ka Meetha. Hi guys, I'm Afraz and you're watching Britannia Dessert Carnival. And today I'm going to show you pure magic Deuce Biscuit Ka Meetha. First, I'm going to grab a large bowl, and then to make the batter, I'm going to sieve the refined flour. And here is your Chunkies tip of the day. Whenever you're making any batter, make sure that you pass it through a sieve so that it has no lumps. So this is done. Next, I'm going to add some elaichi powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to mix all these three ingredients nicely. And now is the time to break the egg. So I'm using 2 eggs to make the batter. And now slowly I'm going to start mixing this together and add little milk to make a nice smooth batter. Make sure you don't add the milk all in one go, as we don't want our batter to be very thin after once it is mixed nicely. So now the batter is done. It looks nice and smooth, and this is the consistency that we are looking for. So let's keep this aside, and now it's the time to introduce the star ingredient, which is pure magic Deuce. This replaces the boring bread to form a purely magical chocolate and biscuit base. So now I'm going to dip this into this lovely batter, and I've kept oil for deep frying. I'm going to slide this into the hot oil. So let's flip this. We want a nice golden color. So now as you can see, they've got nice golden brown color, and this is the right time to take them out. Nice and golden, crispy from outside, and once you bite in, you'll get this melting chocolate from inside. So it is going to be very delicious. Let's quickly plate this. So I'm going to arrange the Biscuit Ka Meetha on one side, and now let's do some snowfall on top. A nice dredge of icing sugar, and that's it. Pure magic Deuce Biscuit Ka Meetha is ready to add pure magic to your day. Spread the joy of Britannia Dessert Carnival by liking and sharing this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more such attractive recipes.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.